AI consultant. Salary, $90,000, $150,000. Job description. 1. Collaborate with clients to understand their business objectives and identify opportunities for applying AI technologies. 2. Provide strategic guidance and consultation on AI solutions to drive business growth and efficiency. 3. Conduct thorough assessments of client needs, data infrastructure, and AI readiness. 4. Develop and implement AI strategies, roadmaps, and action plans tailored to client requirements. 5. Analyze and interpret large datasets to derive actionable insights and recommendations. 6. Design and deploy machine learning models and algorithms to solve specific business problems. 7. Provide technical expertise and support in implementing AI solutions, including data preparation, model training, and evaluation. 8. Stay updated on the latest AI trends, research, and best practices to continuously enhance service offerings. 9. Collaborate with cross-functional teams, including data scientists, engineers, and business stakeholders, to ensure successful project delivery. 10. Deliver clear and concise presentations and reports to clients, communicating complex AI concepts in a business-friendly manner. Requirements. 1. Bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, engineering, data science, or a related field. 2. Proven experience as an AI consultant or similar role, with a strong understanding of AI technologies, applications, and industry trends. 3. Solid knowledge of machine learning algorithms, statistical modeling, and data analysis techniques. 4. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python, R, or Java for AI development and implementation. 5. Experience with popular AI frameworks and libraries, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn. 6. Familiarity with data preparation, feature engineering, and model evaluation processes. 7. Strong problem-solving and critical thinking skills, with the ability to translate business challenges into AI solutions. 8. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills to effectively interact with clients and stakeholders at various levels. 9. Project management skills to handle multiple clients and deliver projects within defined timelines. 10. Ability to adapt to different industries and domains, understanding their unique requirements and challenges. 11. Continuous learning mindset to keep up with advancements in AI technologies and techniques.